Today, on the worst heart day, is a call to actions for every one of us to care for our hearts.
So if patients with a heart failure and we want to determine the cause of the heart failure, then of course we do a cardiac MRI. Okay?
Heart attack is just part of the journey. It has not ended when you are walking out of the hospital. Basically, the journey begins once you're out of the hospital because you have to prevent another recurrent heart attack.
I'm really honored to be here today
and sharing a little bit more about how smartwatches can help with your heart health.
Today, we are here actually to learn about CPR and AED. It's actually a public awareness.